Hey there! I see you're stepping into something new. Your hearts are sparkly. A relationship? How wonderful! But did you know some early questions can actually ruin things? Don't worry, cats know exactly what to ask instead. Keep your eyes on my paws. Watch them ink swirl, the shadows dance. Let me guide you with a little wisdom. First round questions. How many people were there before me? This just leads to overthinking. Us cats, we care about what's in front of us. Instead ask, what have you learned from your past relationship? Growth is more important than the past. 2. Do you love me? I know you want to know. But asking this too early is like trying to hug a cat from behind. Either you get scratched or they run away. Instead ask, when someone's important to you, how do you show it? This opens up their feelings without pressure. 3. What's your type? Are you seeking validation or comparing yourself to others? Cats don't look for types. We look for real connection. Ask, what qualities make you feel close to someone? 4. Where is this relationship going? It's a good question, but not for the start. It's more about control than getting to know someone. Instead ask, what makes a good relationship for you? This way, you'll understand their mindset, not just their plans. 5. Why are you still single? If someone asked me why I'm still curled up in my corner, I'd cloud them. Instead ask, what have you been focusing on lately? It's polite and helps you understand where they are in life. Okay, deep breath. The sketch is done. Now think like a cat. So, will you ask questions that open hearts or the ones that show claws?